Well, actually, nag-follow ko sa page sa Kabilin Center. Then, kakita na ko sa katong exhibit ni Sir Steve. Then, kanang interesting dyan ka siya para na ako.
Hala, kanintot, abi, uy, kanang, kung sanay mo, ano ba ko mo, api niya, kanahan ko makakita ni Sir Steve.
Later on nga, nakakita ako nga nag-open sa na workshop. Kanang ni-try dyan mag-apply.
I decided to join because it's a different feeling. Like I was excited by the thought that my own design and basically I will be mentored, like naadyo comment and inputs from people in the industry.
Di pa'y ko, ma'am, pagkuhan na po, nadawat ko na, di ko katuo ato, ma'am.
For the first meeting, it was really insightful, especially kilid ako niya, so it's kind of nerve-wracking. Kaya like, kilid ko niya, so like, cool ba kayo siya?
Cool ba? But it's fun. Lingaw sa noon siya because there's a lot of things nga maka-learn sa jud ka, especially their advices. Especially ma-proposal making. Importante sa jud kayo siya para may bawaan. Kaya dito makita ang tanang detalye.
And at the same time, it's really insightful because I was able to converse with him one-on-one and he was able to critique my work that it was gorgeous and ano siya. So like, thank you, sir. So ano siya.
The experience has been very eye-opening, like especially when we interacted with the mentors. I learned a lot on how to, like, in giving suggestions on what materials to use, in like construction techniques, in the best way that it can help us mentees.
So same pa yung pattern sa lupa. Repeated lang na pattern.
Using nylon or thin wire. Ano yan? Maganda yun. Pero matabaho yun.
And when I joined it, it's when I realized that, oh, this is the formal process. There's really a lot of effort that goes into it. And it's the first time that I made this kind of effort for something that I made. It's very eye-opening as well.
Happy jud kay ko kay na part ko ani nga program is kay dako na ka siya nga achievement para nako as a kanang probinsyano ba. Thankful kay ko sa Rafi kay gatagan mi nilag chance young designers nga ipakita sa tibuok Cebu, tibuok Pilipinas o tibuok nasod nga kung unsa among ika-offer as a fashion designer, as an artist. Naka-realize jud ko nga passion jud nako ang pag-ingon ani.
Para jud nako is fashion is for all. It is not just a piece of clothes or a style. It is a form of art.